Alright, we're doing the final taping. Getting everything mounted up. Pretty much everything's mostly done. Got fresh paper on the stands. Got the paint booth blown out. Got taping up now the saddlebags here, the inside. I don't like to overspray. So we tape those up. I got the lids to go. And that's it, just the bags and lids, and we're ready to start spraying on this one. Should look pretty nice. I'll do a little more organizing in here, get a few things out of here, why not?